Ever wondered how to start investing without needing to be a stock market expert? Index funds let you own a piece of hundreds of companies with just one simple investment. They're easy, low cost, and built for the long run. Let's break down how index funds can help you grow your money step by step. A quick disclaimer: I am not a financial advisor. The content in these videos is intended for educational and informational purposes only. Always do your own research and consult a licensed financial professional before making any investment decisions. What is index investing? It's a simple form of passive investing where you don't pick individual stocks yourself. Instead, you invest automatically in hundreds of companies at once through something called an index fund. These funds follow the performance of a specific index, like the S&P 500 in the US or the Stocks Europe 600 in Europe. When these indexes goes up, your investment grows with it. What are the benefits of index investing? First, it's much cheaper than buying and managing individual stocks because index funds have low fees. Second, your money is spread across many companies, which lowers your risk. Instead of owning one stock, you own a small piece of hundreds at once. Third, it saves you time. You don't need to research every company or follow the market daily. The index does the work for you, and your investment follows it automatically. That makes index investing one of the easiest ways to start growing your money. How can you start with index investing? There are two main ways: doing it yourself through a broker or using a wealth manager to do it for you. If you choose a broker, you'll pick your own index funds. It's usually the cheapest option, but takes a bit more time to set up. Many beginners use platforms like DeGiro, eToro, or Vanguard. If you prefer a hands-off approach, a wealth manager can select and manage index funds for you. That's easier, but you'll pay higher fees for the service. Both options can help you grow your money. The choice depends on how much time and control you want. That brings us to the end of this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. There's plenty more clear and practical investing content on the way. Your support helps us to improve the quality of the videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.